We'll guide you through how to post a TikTok video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you want to post a video on TikTok? We'll guide you through the different ways this can be done. To get started, come to the middle at the bottom of TikTok and go and press the plus. Now, what you want to do is go right to the bottom and select post. Just above the red recording button, you can then go and adjust the length to your liking. If you want to go and record right now, you can press the red recording button, and over to the right, you've got some different options as well. But then we can go and start recording. Alternatively, you can go and use a video you've got from your camera roll or photos. You can open it up in the bottom right here and then select the video or videos you want to do this with. Press next in the bottom right. You can go and choose a sound at the top. I'll go and remove that. And over to the right, you've got these different editing options. To get to the sort of main and advanced editing, press edit in the top right, and you can then go and see the different options at the bottom. We've also got these options over to the right as well. So you can add effects, stickers, text, and more. Then after you finish editing it, you can press next in the bottom right, go and add a description or a caption essentially, and you can add hashtags or mentions, choose a location, and you can scroll down and you can choose who can view it. That's a really important privacy setting, and there are others as well. And then when you're ready, press post in the bottom right. And then what you need to do is go and wait for it to upload and be posted. There it is.